A lot of people are not born with a silver spoon, let alone one with gold. But one thing is constant. Everybody is born with a dream. Everybody is born with an aspiration. You don't pay for it. You're not charged for it. So how big is your dream? How humongous is it? Are you limited by the environment? Are you limited by happenings? Or do you have enough capacity within yourself to dream and to aspire? To be able to draft out a roadmap for yourself on how you intend or how you hope that you would be in the next 3 years, in the next 5 years. Forget the past. Forget the last years. Forget the mistakes that you have made. Forget whatever it is that you have inculcated into yourself that has not allowed you or enabled you to be able to achieve what you think that you ought to achieve right now. It's about now. It's about what you're doing now. It's about what you intend to do now. Now is what counts. Now is what matters. So forget the past and get started on doing better. Get started on doing something better. Yes, you made a mistake. Yes, it came and it backfired. Yes, a lot of people said a lot of things and were so disappointed at you. But then, hope does not come at a fee. Redemption does not come at a charge. Everything is free. So you have the right and you have the opportunity to dream again, to live again, to hope again, and to do better out of your life. So I challenge you today. Sit down and do a redress. Call yourself to order and ask yourself, what do I do right now to do better? And I so pray that you come to that point where you get to know exactly where you failed and what you can do to be a better person and a better version of yourself. Do have a wonderful day ahead of you. Like you all know, Momotula Dokas. Bye-bye.